FG97DG Digital Multimeter Fasano tools is the perfect tool for a wide range of quick and efficient measurements. The multimeter is very easy to use. Thanks to its auto range function, you can take measurements without setting the full scale. Small and light, you can easily take it with you anywhere, even in your pocket. It also supports NCV technology, which reduces the level of risky measurement by limiting the user's exposure to electrical shock. The FG97DG multimeter has an insulation class 2 and an overvoltage category 3 600 volts. It can storage previous measurements. The multimeter is equipped with an LCD display and has an auto power-off function after 10 minutes of non-use. The LED light on the back allows to illuminate the working area. Finally, it is equipped with a removable protective rubber cover and is powered by one AAA 1.5-volt battery. The FG97DG multimeter boasts a number of essential functions for measuring electrical quantities with good accuracy. It can detect both DC and AC voltage and frequency up to 600 volts with a resolution of 0.1 millivolt. Capacitance can be detected up to 60 millifarad with an accuracy of 0.001 microfarad. When measuring resistance, the instrument can detect up to 60 megohms with a resolution of 0.10. The multimeter can also perform continuity test and diodes test and, as mentioned, includes the NCV function. The versatility of the FG97DG allows it to be used in a lot of fields of applications, from electrical engineering to industry, from automotive to DIY. Fasano Tools multimeters offer quick and easy measurement with high levels of accuracy and are suitable for all types of requirements and professions.